Today is Thursday, April 1st, 2021. It is April Fool's Day, and I'm not fooling anybody today. I'm just making a simple, quick video on how to do the back falls. Before we continue, please take a moment and hit that thumbs up button. That really helps me a lot because it tells YouTube that this is good content, and then YouTube will push it out to more people, and I can get more subscribers, I can get more viewers, and I can build this channel. For the basic back fall, I'm going to do it on this hard floor and teach you the basic way to do the back fall. Okay, so first off, you're going to get into fighting stance. Now remember, for Aikido, the fighting stance is about your feet are about shoulder width apart, and your foot comes back and your knee bends forward so you can't see your toes. On the back fall, what we're going to do is we're going to churn our hips, but as you're churning your hips, you're going to churn on the balls of your feet, you're going to churn on the balls of your feet, you're going to go down and just, you know, for beginners, just sit on your heel. And then all you're going to do is you're going to reach over with your left hand, your right foot's forward, reaching over your left shoulder, you're going to fall back and then come up, right? That's it. That's the basic back fall. And I'm doing this in a very simple, basic way, more geared towards beginners. Okay, so let's do the left side. What you're going to do is you're going to get in a fighting stance, Hidari no Kamae fighting stance, left foot forward fighting stance. You're going to churn your hips, and as you churn, that back foot needs to churn. Both feet are churning on the balls of your feet. You're going down and just rest on your ankle right there, just like that. And reach over your left shoulder with your right hand and just let yourself fall back. And then come up on your feet, okay? Let's do it this way so you guys can see what I'm doing this way. Okay, so I've got my left foot forward. I'm going to do that side again. I'm going to churn my hips and churn my feet on the balls of my feet. Reach out, go down, and then just roll and up. And I pop back up on my feet. One of the important things about the back fall is to never let the back of your head hit the mat, okay? That's a really important point. So when you reach over your shoulder, you're kind of pulling that shoulder up so you're not falling flat, okay? If you just reach your hand over your shoulder without pulling that shoulder, you're still going to fall flat and it doesn't make a difference. So when you reach over, you've got to pull that shoulder up. Okay, I'm going to go this way and demonstrate from here. So again, I'm churning my hips, churning my feet, starting to reach over my right shoulder. I'm falling back and going down. And notice here, if I whip my head back, it is not hitting the floor. If I have this shoulder a little bit more down, if I whip my head back, it's hitting the floor, and that is not good. So that's the one thing you want to be careful for when you're doing the back fall. Now, of course, we're doing this very basic. I'm going down. I'm not going back and out. Okay, this is just a really basic, safe back fall. Practice this on your own. I usually practice these falls in every class, just getting everybody used to them. Also, building that strength in the legs, making sure you're keeping your feet on the ground. This way to do the back fall is more based on technique than just falling backwards. Okay, there's other ways to do the back falls that are, you know, it's good to know a variety of ways to do the back falls if you get caught off guard and you need to do a back fall a certain way. But this way of doing the back fall is more based on technique. Learning to fall is one of the most important things in Aikido, but not only Aikido, it's a very important thing for self-defense. According to the CDC, falling is the second leading cause of natural death in adults. Learning to fall will just help you a lot, not only in Aikido, but for self-defense. If you like this channel and it's helping you get better at Aikido, please head on over to my website. The website is in the description. It's a direct link to my store where I'm selling some t-shirts that say Aiki Power for kanji, I, and ki, and then in the katakana alphabet is power, which is the English word for power. Buy some merchandise and help show your support for this channel. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about these videos. Let me know if there's a particular technique that you want me to go over, and I'll go over it. My whole goal is to help you guys get better at Aikido, and that helps me a lot. I'll see you guys next week.